My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Dryheataffilate.store. Dryheataffilate.store is indeed a new deceptive and dangerous website that now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to scare you into thinking that your computer is horribly damaged and infected, and then this website tells that you need to download and install some software. But in reality, this is the malicious software that is promoted through such pop-ups. You should not install anything that these pop-ups suggest. If you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be redirected to some junk websites that may promote a totally different software. So please be careful, don't ever interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. They may be the trace of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. And in the light of this fact, we strongly advise that you check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. We also recommend researching your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.